like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night.
What is going on, guys? Justin here, OVO Update, back again with another video, and today we are back again for another week of the weekly update, and I have some very exciting news to share with you guys this week. So without further ado, let's like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let's get straight on with today's video. So kicking things off, as you guys saw from the intro of the video today, it is the 4-year anniversary of More Life, a complete legendary album, or should I say playlist, mixtape, whatever you want to call it. An incredible piece of work from the boy. Some of my favorite songs on that album: Free Smoke, honestly one of my favorite Drake intro tracks of all time, bar for bar for bar. We had Galchester, we even had a Skepta interlude. We're still yet to hear Drake and Skepta on a song together, so hopefully that comes out in the near future. But we also have tracks like Do Not Disturb, Teenage Fever. We have a whole variety of different songs, whether it's slow songs, fast songs, rap songs, melodies, R&B. A whole mixture of everything going on with that album. It's definitely one of my favorite Drake projects. Let's not forget, guys, the tour that year, Boy Meets World Tour. Absolutely legendary. I even have the More Life Stone Island Friends and Family t-shirt. I know I've showed it off to you guys on the channel before. For those that haven't, let me go show you guys. So here's the t-shirt, More Life on the back, 18/3/27. That is the day it came out. So again, 4 years from today. And on the front, what makes this so special is the More Life flower right here with the Stone Island logo, and of course, as you can see at the top, the Stone Island tag. This was not available for the general public, so you had to know someone within OVO or someone who got lucky enough to get access to this t-shirt for free. Very, very nice, and honestly it goes for a pretty penny. I think they're going for around $500–600. Very, very cool, and definitely a collector's item. Moving right along, guys, 1, 2, 3, Drake taking up the top 3 spots on the Hot 100, numero uno, dos, and tres. Hey, we got a little Spanish going on tonight. But yo, shout out to Drake, shout out to the crew, and everyone involved with Scary Hours too. Moving right along, guys, we had Drake post to his story a little bit of his jewelry, from watches to chains to bracelets. So I'm gonna pull up some of my favorite Drake OVO jewelry pieces that he's picked up within the past like 5 years. Starting off with this Future FBG OVO ring. Absolutely crazy. I remember on the OVO update page, this was one of my most liked photos with like 11,000 likes. It was crazy. It blew up. So this is definitely one of my favorites. Again, with the diamonds, this OVO chain. If Drake could tell me I could have one OVO chain today, it would be this one right here with the pink, the blue, and with the Hermes link chain. Fully iced out, absolutely beautiful. So definitely #1 on the Drake OVO chain list. Again, take a look at all these rings, absolutely insane. And of course, the huge OVO owl, and the O right there, the O from Kalani, and that huge owl, I'm pretty sure is from Jason of Beverly Hills. He wore this in the No Stylist video. Crazy chain right there. Again, we have this legendary photo with all the jewelry, the Stone Island Boy Meets World chain done by Ben Baller, with the OG owl crew neck actually behind, which is pretty cool. Anyways, just thought I'd show off a little bit of my favorite Drake OVO pieces, and shout out to KTT2.com for giving me this inspiration to put it in today's video. Alright guys, and last but not least, we have YG for OVO. This is something that I never would have thought happened, especially with YG pushing his new clothing brand so hard, 400. Crazy to see YG actually post up in an OVO tracksuit, of course in the all red, with the dress shoes on. This guy does not take the dress shoes off. I know his feet must be hurting at the end of the night, because them bitches is uncomfortable. Anyways, he's posted up in front of the red Lambo, the red crew neck, and I wish that it was a collaboration with 400. I know YG's been doing a lot of collaborations with Snoop Dogg recently and other people and brands, so I don't know why he didn't actually come together with OVO and do something that would have been so proper. I'm sure YG proposed of doing a collaboration, but I guess it's up to OVO to see if they want to do it, I assume. I don't know why they wouldn't, because YG and Drake make some insane tracks. So I hope it's not just another collegiate restock tomorrow. Hopefully we actually get a full drop. So we'll see. Stay posted, and if they do anything special, definitely stay posted to the channel, because you'll hear it here first. He also did wear a great henna blue tracksuit. A lot of people were in the comments saying how they get YG to pull off in the full blue fit. But anyways, guys, hopefully we see something from YG OVO 400 in the future. Alright guys, and that's going to do it for today's video. If you did make it to the end, comment team update down below, and I'm going to catch y'all next week with another video. Peace.